Port Moresby, also referred to as Palm City or simply Moresby, is the capital and largest city of Papua New Guinea and the largest city in the South Pacific. Outside of Australia and New Zealand, it is located on the shores of the Gulf of Papua, on the southwestern coast of the Papuan Peninsula of the island of New Guinea. The city emerged as a trade center in the second half of the 19th century. During World War II, it was a prime objective for conquest by the Imperial Japanese forces during 1942-43 as a staging point and air base to cut off Australia from Southeast Asia and the Americas. As of 2020, it had a population of 383,000. The place where the city was founded has been inhabited by the Motu Koitabu people for centuries. The first Briton to see it was Royal Navy Captain John Moresby in 1873. It was named in honor of his father, Admiral of the Fleet Sir Fairfax Moresby. Although Port Moresby is surrounded by Central Province, of which it is also the capital, it is not part of that province but forms the National Capital District. The traditional landowners, the Motu and Koitabu people, are represented by the Motu Koita Assembly. Port Moresby hosted the APEC summit in November 2018. However, there were concerns about security given the capital's reputation for violent crime. The Motu people of the area, now known as Port Moresby, traded their pots for sago, other food and canoe logs, sailing from Hanuabda and other villages built on stilts above the waters of the bay. Their language, Motu, was the basis of Hiri Motu, an official language of Papua New Guinea. It has been steadily in decline since the 1960s when Tok-Pisin began to grow in popularity. The Hiri expeditions were large-scale, as many as 20 multi-hulled canoes or lakitoi, crewed by some 600 men, carried about 20,000 clay pots on each journey. To the Motuans, the Hiri was an economic enterprise and it confirmed their tribal identity through its long and dangerous voyages. There was already an important trade center on the site of Port Moresby when the English captain, John Moresby of HMS Basilisk, first visited it. He sailed through the Coral Sea at the eastern end of New Guinea, saw 3 previously unknown islands, and landed there at 10 a.m. on the 20th of February 1873. He claimed the land for Britain and named it after his father, Admiral Sir Fairfax Moresby. He called the inner reach Fairfax Harbour, and the other Port Moresby. In 1883, Queensland attempted to annex the southeastern corner of the New Guinea island. Fearing that Germany would take control of the entire eastern half of the island, British authorities refused to approve the annexation following the German annexation of New Guinea in 1884, but 4 years later it established a protectorate over Papua as British New Guinea. In 1905, the recently federated Australian government passed the Papua Act, which came into effect in 1906. The Act transferred Papua, with Port Moresby as its capital, to direct Australian rule. From then until 1941, Port Moresby grew slowly. The main growth was on the peninsula, where port facilities and other services were gradually improved. The first butcher's shop and grocery opened in 1909. Electricity was introduced in 1925, and piped water supply was provided in 1941. During World War II, some Papuan men enlisted in the Papua Infantry Battalion and others as carriers over trails and rough terrains as supply support to Allied and Japanese armies during long jungle marches. Historian William Manchester outlines in his biography of General Douglas MacArthur, American Caesar, that acting as porters was well down the natives' list of acceptable voluntary activities and that they would fade away without great inducements. Many Papuan residents of Port Moresby either returned to their family villages or were evacuated to camps when the threat of Japanese invasion loomed. By September 1942, the city was an important Allied complex of bases, and thousands of troops were stationed in the area or more often staged through it, as it was the last Allied bastion on the island and, conversely, a key staging and jumping-off point as the Allies began conducting offensive warfare themselves, pushing back the Japanese advances. General MacArthur located his headquarters in Port Moresby from November 1942 to October 1944. In 1945, the territory of Papua and New Guinea was formed when Papua and the former German New Guinea, which had been administered by Australia since 1918, were amalgamated under a single Australian administration, though several laws remained in two territories and remain so, which can be complicating with provinces sitting on two sides of the otherwise extinct boundary. Port Moresby became the capital of the new combined territory and a focal point for the expansion of public services. Port Moresby was granted city status in 1972, with Ola Ola Rarwar becoming the first Lord Mayor. In September 1975, Papua New Guinea became an independent country with Port